Oo, ituloy ko lang yung tanungan. Nabanggit ko kanina, doon, nabanggit ko nung pumunta ako doon sa competition na ang one bike is actually a good potential to have a pathway for the kids to try out different sports for the way na of course makakasali sila either SEA Games, either Asian Games, World Championships, at most of all, ang pinaka-sikat Olympics. Pinaka-pangarap natin lahat ng mga atleta. So, ano ang vision ninyo para at least makilala ang run bike, lalo na sa ating sports community?
Thank you for that question. Very good question. Yun po yung goal po talaga namin at with K2P Run Bike is to really bring the world class type of racing to our country para mag-grow po talaga yung sport. Ever since before, yun po talaga yung goal namin. And that's why we also bring our kids abroad so that they experience a world-class race. Kasi po parang parang yung pathway po kasi talaga, nakikita ko namin, for example, sa BMX World Championships, which is going to be conducted in Sydney this year, with the BMX World Championships, the youngest age po na pwede mag-join doon is 8 years old. But, so one of our kids eventually could definitely be a part of that. One of our kids could become, could train for BMX racing, and that's the kind of support or that's the kind of training that we kind of want to encourage in the country. Kaya lang po, dito, parang konti pa lang talaga yung cycling in terms of pump track. Konti pa lang yung mga pump tracks sa Philippines. So, especially to train our kids, we still need the guidance for that.
Kasi sa meron yata yun sa Eastwood, yung pump track.
Yes.
And even sa, kung ano daw nakakabalik, Tagaytay.
Yes, with field cycling. But it's very big. Malaki po siya ng pump track. So parang wala pa tayong maliliit na pump tracks for kids. So hopefully, that's something that we, together with the local LGUs can help, or maybe even PSC can help promote po that we have these spaces for activities for kids na hindi lang po kami stuck to basketball courts or parking lots, but we need outdoor spaces for the kids to be able to grow in this. Para eventually, di ba, like the BMX World Championship, Olympic sport po ang BMX. Cyclo racing, there's so many two-wheeled sports, there's Tour de France. There is so many opportunities for pathways for these kids who already love to bike. Di ba po? Parang hindi lang po on the global stage. So that's what we're trying to promote. It has not been easy, but we're also very young. It's just 2 years old. 2 years. I was telling Sir a while ago, when we first started going abroad last year, 2 years ago when we brought Hudson abroad, he was the first Filipino to race in Thailand.
Oh.
Alam mo po sir, sa posters nila, wala pong Philippine flag doon. Pati sa days nila, lahat ng flag ng ibang bansa nandun, pero wala po yung Pilipinas. Pero sabi ko, one day, magkakaroon ng flag ng Philippines. And salamat po sa Diyos, naka-podium po yung anak ko.
Wow.
And after that race, a lot of the parents who we met there were saying, Philippines has run bike. Philippines has racers. They didn't even know that we had racers. But after that po, I would like to say that because of parents like these, very supportive parents, padami po ang nag-race abroad. And so now we're recognized in the Philippines as a growing force in the community. Our kids, from last year to this year, we have also brought in coaches from abroad, from Thailand and from Malaysia, to help our local coaches grow. Because wala pong guidance eh. So kami talaga sa sariling sikap, we're helping them grow, training them, so that they in turn can train our kids better. And happy to say, our Filipino kids nakakapagsabayan na po with international races. They all podium. I mean, not all the time, but most of these kids, nakaka-podium na po sila abroad. So nakaka-proud that our flag is finally there. We're being recognized as a growing force in the run bike community. And we have supportive parents that really want to, help promote the sport and support their kids in this endeavor. Like for me po, with my son, parang if he wants to go into BMX, super supportive po kami about that. Basta gusto namin maging, yun, triathlon, duathlete, triathlete po siya. Whatever sport he wants to go into, we will support that. So, yun.
All of them are consistent na medalists sa international. Ano yung recent international competition sila niya?
So last weekend,
No, yung sa abroad.
ito po, yung last race ni Hudson was this one, sa Taiwan.
Taiwan.
Nag-champion po siya.
Nag-champion. And then, yung iba,
Zoe from Malaysia naman.
sa,
Podium winner din, sir.
and then, sino ang,
Actually, silang tatlo, silang tatlo, si Zoe, si Hudson, si Noah, ako sila sa Thailand, discount August 8 and 9. Magpupumpit ko sa international race sa Bangkok.
oh, good luck, good luck. Anyway, last two questions pero pagsabahin ko na lang. What are the upcoming races na pakakabahan sa K2P? And of course, kamusta ang pagtanggap ng ating mga international races? And even yung mga private sponsors na rin na they want to shoulder all their expenses or yung support financially and materially para may pagpatuloy ninyong pagdaos sa mga run bike racing at may mga plano pa kayo na of course magkaroon din ng mga races sa Visayas at Mindanao kasi malaki na rin yung ating community there. Thank you.
Yes, thank you for that question. Yes, so K2P's next races, we have one in September, on September 14 and 15. It's an international race again. We also have races in Mindanao actually. So we just finished one of our races there, and then we have two more races this year in Mindanao. We have races in Sarangani or Davao po. And then sa next international race also is November. Meron po another K2P World Cup po here in Manila.
And how's the reception ng ating mga private sponsors, yung mga international races na they have a world-class competition na feeling nila para kang naglalaro sa abroad?
Yes po. So naghahanap, of course, we're always looking for sponsors and support for this community and for this sport. Because that's really the way that we can bring it to the grassroots level.
Okay, so thank you.